Hey there, pancake enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of American pancakes and uncovering some surprising unknown facts about this breakfast favorite. So, grab your maple syrup and join us on this mouth-watering journey. Pancake origins. Did you know that pancakes have been around for centuries? The earliest known recipe dates back to ancient Greece. They were made with wheat flour, olive oil, honey, and curdled milk. They've come a long way since then, haven't they? Pancake variations. While American pancakes are famous, the United States has a diverse range of pancake variations. You've got your fluffy buttermilk pancakes, cornmeal pancakes, sweet potato pancakes, and even buckwheat pancakes. The possibilities are endless. Pancake stacking. Stacking pancakes high isn't just for the gram. It's said that the height of your pancake stack can symbolize good luck and prosperity in some cultures. The higher, the better. National Pancake Day. Mark your calendars, folks. National Pancake Day is celebrated in the United States on February 28 each year. Some restaurants even offer free pancake deals on this delicious day. Pancake toppings. Sure, maple syrup is a classic topping. But did you know that Americans get creative with their pancake toppings? You'll find everything from fresh fruit and whipped cream to chocolate chips and bacon bits. It's a flavor explosion. Pancake flipping. Flipping a pancake is an art form. In fact, there's even a World Pancake Flipping Championship held in England. The current record? A jaw-dropping 140 flips in just 1 minute. Pancake sizes. The size of pancakes varies greatly across the globe. In America, we love our big, fluffy pancakes, while in other places like Japan, you'll find smaller, thicker pancakes called hot cakes. Pancakes for dinner. Pancakes for dinner? Absolutely. In America, savory pancakes made with ingredients like cheese, herbs, and vegetables are a delicious dinner option. They're versatile and can satisfy any craving. Pancake races. Believe it or not, there are pancake races held in different parts of the world, where participants run while flipping pancakes in a frying pan. The most famous one is in Olney, England, dating back to 1445. Talk about a unique race. Pancake art. Pancake art is a rising trend where artists create stunning images using pancake batter. From famous characters to intricate landscapes, the possibilities are endless. It's like painting with food. Pancake holidays. It's not just National Pancake Day. There are other pancake-related holidays too, like International Pancake Day, Shrove Tuesday, and even Pancake Week in some countries. It's clear that pancakes hold a special place in our hearts. Pancake records. Speaking of special, did you know that there are Guinness World Records related to pancakes? The largest pancake ever made measured over 49 feet in diameter. Now that's a giant breakfast. Pancake shapes. Kids and adults love pancake molds. You can create pancakes in all sorts of fun shapes, from animals to famous landmarks. It's a creative way to make breakfast more exciting. Pancake preservation. In 1976, a piece of pancake from the Apollo 16 mission to the moon was auctioned for $1,400. Pancakes have even been sent to space. Who knew they could be part of space history? Pancake traditions. Pancakes aren't just about taste. They're part of various cultural traditions. In Sweden, they celebrate Födelsedagen with semla, a sweet bun filled with almond paste and cream, while in Russia, they enjoy blini pancakes during Maslenitsa, a week-long holiday. Pancake flavors. America loves experimenting with pancake flavors. How about red velvet pancakes with cream cheese glaze or pumpkin spice pancakes in the fall? Pancakes are a canvas for culinary creativity. Pancake records. Pancake enthusiasts take their passion seriously. In 2012, a man named Steve Hamilton set a world record by tossing a pancake 416 times in just 1 minute. Now, that's some serious pancake flipping skills. Pancake health benefits. Pancakes can be healthy too. By using whole wheat flour, oats, or almond flour, you can boost their nutritional value. Add in some fresh berries for antioxidants and fiber, and you've got a breakfast that's good for you. Pancake traditions around the world. Pancakes are beloved worldwide, each country adding its unique twist. In France, they enjoy crepes with a variety of fillings. In Ethiopia, they make injera, a spongy pancake-like bread used as a utensil. It's amazing how one simple dish can be so diverse. Pancake syrup variety. While maple syrup is the classic choice, there's a world of pancake syrups out there. You can find blueberry, blackberry, and even pecan syrups. They can add a burst of flavor to your morning stack. In the Netherlands, they have poffertjes, tiny silver dollar-sized pancakes, often served with powdered sugar and butter. They're like bite-sized bursts of happiness. There you have it, an even deeper dive into the fascinating world of American pancakes. They're more than just a delicious breakfast. They're a global sensation, a source of creativity, and even a bit of superstition. If you found these facts as intriguing as I did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow pancake lovers. Stay tuned for more pancake adventures, and remember, there's always room for one more pancake on your plate. Until next time, keep the griddle hot and the syrup flowing. Happy pancake flipping!